I want to tell you a little bit about one of the sources of great pride and joy at GCP, and that's our global content player. This is the navigation bars, the formatting, and the overall packaging that goes around our actual course content. A very popular feature of our global content player is this policy button. As you can see, it's grayed out here, but it's a very simple matter for a training manager to turn this policy button on. And the way that works is without going into the flash content, without any technical programming knowledge or skills, the training manager is able to go into the course and add a link here that's contextually related to the content that's on this screen. So if, for example, if the training manager has an external document that they'd like to link to that's related to this particular screen that we're looking at, it could be a checklist, or it could be a company policy, or any other kind of printable handout. It's really just a flip of a switch to be able to turn that policy button on and have a link that's live and active for learners as they're looking at this screen. Customization is a really simple matter, and it doesn't take a great deal of technological skill to be able to make some changes to the way the course runs that'll make it run just exactly the way you want it to. You're able to turn on a pretest just by changing false to true here, or turn on a post-test the same way. Earlier I mentioned the ease with which Training Manager can add a link by activating the company policy button on any given screen of the course. I'm going to show you how to do that. All you need to do is type company policy equals quotation mark http:// and then whatever the URL of the website that you're trying to get to is. And I'm going to save this document, and then when we look at the course again, you'll see that that button has been activated. I've reloaded the course after making those changes to the course menu.xml document. So let's go take a look at screen 4, which is where I added the link to the policy button. I'm going to go down here to the 4th screen, click that, and we can see that the policy button is now activated. And if I click that button, it opens a new window and goes to the site where I told it to go. Well, that wraps up a quick overview of some of the customizations that you can make to the global content player from GCP Learning that allow you to train your people the way you want to train them and the way you need to train them. Keep watching for more videos that show you how our Agile Accurate training helps make you more agile in your business.